groups. So groups play an important role. Sometimes not, sometimes, but I still want you to know what it is. In this case, this is an object. Its components, vertices, edges, and faces, all can be named conventionally. Okay? In this case, the actual cube is called cube. I can go over here, it's called cube. I can call it box 1001. Okay? If I wanted to. But when I hit tab, could I ever name the vertices? I could. And here's how you do that. They're called groups. So you can go over here to the object data, and we're going to make a vertex group. You can have nothing selected, hit the plus, and we'll name the vertex group. How about top verts? Okay. In this case, I want to put this, and this into this group. And I can hit assign. Let me deselect it. In this case, if I want to select it, I can go over here and hit select. It'll select those 4 vertices. So anytime I want to grab onto those, I can deselect them at any one time. I can have the box in object mode way over here. Then go back to edit mode. Let's say it's way over there and hit select. It will automatically select those. Good. Just know that because we can assign these groups to different things, and those different things can be animated. Alright, let's look at another thing that can be grouped together that we use all the time. X, delete. In this case, we'll look at a bone. And we'll put the bone in the center of the scene. Just like that. And let's kind of scale it up a little bit so you can see it. Hit tab and hit E on the keyboard, then right click, and then move it up. So that's a way to grab or make 2 bones. E, right click, and then click and drag up. So now there are 3 bones in here. Well, if you look over here, I have a thing called group, bone group. Same thing applies. And here I can add a new group. Look how I cannot highlight it though. In object mode, does it allow me to do that? No. In this case, I have to be in pose mode to add bones to the group. In this case, I can make a new group. Let's say I have nothing highlighted, and which is really hard in pose mode to have nothing highlighted. You have to have something highlighted. So it's better off to have, let's say, all 3 of these, or in this case, just these 2, just to point that it works, and we'll make a new group. We'll call it bottom 2, or something like that. And then I'll assign it to this group. Now there's a bone group index over here, and what I can do is deselect this. Again, I can be anywhere in the scene and hit select. It'll select those 2 bones. Now, what use is this? Well, let's say I have a complex skeleton, and let's say on the finger, I want to go and highlight the finger. Well, I could actually assign it to a group and highlight it that way. Or I can make the entire character a group, and then all the animations kind of pour out of that character. So we use this a lot. There's no doubt about it. And that's how you actually assign bones to groups. So look around. There's many of these groups. We're going to be looking at them quite a lot, but those are the 2 major ones I can think of offhand that we use. So that is groups. Let's go on to the next video.